Hello guys, welcome to Meze Tech Hub. These are Microsoft Word series. So today we are going to be learning. Stay attentive as we walk through this tutorial. We have the first one, table of content. This table of content allows you to automatically generate a table of content based on the heading styles you used in your document. So you have to choose a particular style that you want to use from here. Go to the home tab and then you choose a particular heading style. So you can also choose from various pre-designed tables of content, or you can customize your own. So as you can see here now, they have already generated or pre-designed table of content. You can also come here to customize your own table of content. Remember, this particular tab is for those that are writing project or long essay or any research work that you need to cite other people's work. You need to make references to other people's work. So I'm going to be a bit fast here because this part requires us to be more practical than just explaining it. So the next one we have here is the add text. Is used to specify which paragraphs should be launched in the table of contents and at what level. So if I click here, you will see level 1, level 2, level 3. It depends on the subheading of your content or your table of content. The next one, we have the update table. It updates the table of contents to reflect any changes made to the document heading. So after adding text or doing your whole changes, you always click on update table. We have the next group called the footnotes group. Here we have the insert footnote command. This one now at the bottom of the current page, it inserts a footnote to it. It inserts a footnote at the bottom of the current page where you can add explanatory notes or citations. So if you want to insert a footnote, you are going to click this command here. Then we have insert endnote. Insert endnote at the end of the document or a section. So whenever you are done with your research or your document, your anything you are doing, you want to insert the last note there, the last end note. You are going to click on insert end note. Footnote is always at the end of each page, while the end note is at the end of your work, refers to like the summary of your work. Now we have the next footnote command. If you look at this one now, it allows you to navigate between footnotes and endnotes in your document. So you want to go to footnote, you can say next footnote, previous footnote, next endnote, and previous endnote. Then we also have the show notes. This show notes takes you to the footnote or endnote area of your document. It's like a quick button for you to see your either your endnotes or your footnotes. Now we have the next one, the next group called the citations and bibliography group. The first one here we have insert citation. You can add new source, you can add a placeholder, or you can click it. It allows you to insert citations from your sources into the document. You can also add new sources or use existing ones. Now we have the manage sources. It opens the manage we have the manage sources. It opens the source manager where you can add, edit, and delete your sources. So if you want to add sources, you want to edit your sources, you want to delete it, you just have to click on the manage sources. Then we have the style. This one lets you to choose the citation style using the APA style, the Chicago style, different styles. As if you click here, you see different styles of citation depending on the one you want to use. So we have the bibliography. It automatically generates a bibliography or work cited page based on the sources you have cited. So once you have cited different work, that's you have inserted different footnotes. When you come to bibliography, instead of you to start writing your bibliography one after the other, once you click it, it will automatically generate your bibliography of all the works you have cited on your page based on the sources you have in your document. Now we have the next group, which is called the captions group. In the captions group, you see the command called insert caption. It adds a caption to figures, tables, or objects in your document. Then you can also customize the label and numbering. Then we have the insert table of figures. It creates a table of figures, tables, or other caption objects similar to a table of content. Now we have the update, like I said, after making changes in your tables of figure, you can always click on the update to update it. Now we have the cross-reference. The cross-reference allows you to create links to other parts of your document, such as figures, tables, or headings. Now we have the next group called the index group. The index group, in the index group, we have the mark entry. The mark entry marks specific words or phrases for inclusion in an index. Now we have insert index command or button here. It generates an index based on the marked entries. It generates an index based on the marked entries. And then we have the update index. It updates the index to reflect any changes made to the document. Then the last group we have here is the tables of authorities. The table of authority groups have mark citation command, which marks citation for inclusion in a table of authority commonly used in a legal document. So this may not be for us. We also have the next one called insert table of authorities, which generates a table of authorities based on the marked citations. And then we have the update table of authorities, which updates the table of authorities to reflect any changes you have made. So just know that the references tab streamlines the process of adding, managing citations, bibliographies, indexes, and other reference materials, making it easy to create professional and academically sound documents. So whenever you are writing and you need to make some citation or inserting bibliographies and all those things, the reference tab is your go-to place to do it. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you apply what you've learned and also try to share it to others. Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.